Hi. Punta kami ngayon sa doctor appointment niya.
You could get somebody for a couple $100 a day, maybe.
Yeah, you're right. Anyway. Grabe pagmamadali ko, guys. Ang kati kasi ng jacket na to.
Somebody that knows what they're doing.
Papunta kami ngayon sa doctor appointment niya, guys.
And what it's gonna cost you?
And then after that,
Couple
punta kami sa store. Hindi ko ginagamit tong lens. Sit down.
Be the therapy right here.
How come he's not doing therapy anymore?
I think it's a pain problem.
Costco ngayon, guys.
Look, there's a thing.
Oh, wow, look. Like, gusto kong bumili nito. Magkano ba to? So, I can just stick it somewhere ba? Ayan ang presyo. Ay. 5. Ayan. $5.49. What? Dami na nila mga binibenta para sa lamig dito, oh. Panglamig na panglamig. Ng tao, guys.
$12.
Kahit may executive card ka,
$12.
marami ng... Let's go now.
Get the what?
Over there in the big jacket. Above one. Dami ng mga namimili. Ooh, malamig. Bili ako ng, ano guys, chocolate. Not chocolate, but like cracker and stuff. For Gabriel. Wala talaga. Goldfish siya. Ang laki naman ito. For 12. Bili na lang tayo. Ito guys. Bili natin to. For Gabriel. Snack. Snack. Ito guys, mens. Bilihan natin si kuya kasi gusto niya yung puff jacket. Pero gusto niya yung ano yung may hoodie. Ay, walang hoodie ito. Hindi pwede. Ito na lang, black na lang. Wala naman ang iba. Yun sana gray, pero may hood kasi. Black na lang kunin ko, guys. Ang hirap. Aray, ang hirap. Aray, buti na naabot ko. So, ito na lang. Ayan. Kasi punit na yung isa niya Tara. Nandun sa blanket area yung aking asawa. Ay.
Nothing.
You did not see anything?
Who's that?
As kuya, because the other one is ripped.
You ripped it? That's what it is right there?
No, he wants with the hoodie, but that's okay. Only one for now, because Christmas is coming to town. Diba? What about you?
I got it.
I know you don't like jackets. I'm talking about t-shirt.
T-shirt? Where's the t-shirt? We'll
Anyway.
get on the way. You'll mind me though.
Okay, white t-shirt. Okay, guys. So tara, let's go. Get this for Thanksgiving, guys. Kasi naghahanda na kami para sa aming Thanksgiving dinner.
I want to make a meatloaf.
Right there, oh. What, babe?
Meatloaf.
Go ahead. Get one of those.
Sure? Or you want the other one?
Mag-meatloaf daw siya. So, tingnan natin kung masarap ba ang kanyang meatloaf. Pork chops. Wag na, hindi na muna akong bibili ng... Kuha tayo nito. Oh, it's only $30.99. Kasi naka-sale. Ayan. Chicken with red sauce. Okay, fine. Oh, pork na lang. Kuya can't like pork. Mm. That's pork, yes. Guys, ready na po talaga siya para sa Thanksgiving, oh. Tingnan po niya yung kanyang binili. Sabi niya, isa lang daw yung bibilhin niya. It's up to you. That's what I said. So, ayan na guys. Ready na kami for Thanksgiving. Ayo. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Babe. Oh, you don't want Han?
What is it? Look, that one's dying.
Good.
What else? Regular? Huh?
Dana kami na grocery. Lubat at ang ano ko. Dito kami ngayon sa car wash. Woo! Lamig na, lamig na.
Good show. Have a great day, guys.
Thanks. You can't do that?
At least Costco has the best car wash for only $7.99. $8 talaga. Car wash muna guys kasi ang putik na talaga ng sasakyan ko. Ayan. Hindi masyadong busy dito sa car wash nila. That's good. Chak 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 chak.
It's snowing.
Maligo muna ang sasakyan namin. Sipon ko guys. Anyway guys, pagkatapos nito, punta muna ako sa Asian store saglit. Tapos, uwi na kami, uwi.
I'm gonna buy a new windshield. Never.
Hmm?
When are you gonna buy a new windshield? Never.
No, I have windshield. You guys just have to put it up.
This one?
Kanina pa kami nakarating sa bahay, no? And right now, I am currently making meatloaf, guys. Magmi-meatloaf tayo. We did put all the ingredients already. Yan. Yan siya, guys. Tapos, eto, syempre malinis na yan. I-mix lang natin yan. And then, we're gonna put it in the oven. Tapos, it already has all these ingredients. Ayan. Sorry for my messy kitchen. Sobrang kalat siya. Anyway, here you go. Let's mix it up. Akong oil sprayer ba? Yung spray good, guys. So, let's just do this. Malinis na yung hands natin. Para lang hindi siya mag-stick ba. Wala kasi ako nung malaking pan. So, and then, eto na yon. So, i-form lang natin siya. Ayan. Boom. Lakay no. And then, iluto natin siya 450 degree for about 50 minutes. Pagka malapit na talaga siya maluto, guys, we have to check the temperature kung ready na siya. And then, we're gonna put the glaze on top. Maybe ketchup or barbecue sauce. Tingnan lang natin. Oh, ganito lang. Very simple. So, i-form lang natin yan siya na meatloaf. And then, lutuin na. Pag ready na yung oven. So, yan yung dinner namin ngayon. Kasi nag-crave ang mga bagets. At naman si asawa. Super konting salt lang, guys. Dahil, alam niyo na. Mamaya ulit, guys. So, ayan na siya. Let's put it on the oven pag ready na yung oven natin. Guys, magandang gabi, guys. Busog talaga much, guys. Ayan. Hindi ko na po napakita yung pagkain na naluto na no kasi sa gutom, guys. Binigyan ko na ang all and then tapos nalobat pa yung aking camera and my microphone. Anyway, eto na nga yung outcome ng ating niluto. Yung meatloaf, guys ba? In fairness, guys, masarap, no? Magasto lang siya, guys, kasi madami pong meat ang gagamitin mo. Eto siya, oh. Ayan. Ayan siya, pagkaluto. All meat lang yan siya, guys. Tapos, pinartniran na namin ng mashed potato. Pero ubos na nga, guys. Ayan siya, oh. Eto, ketchup yung toppings niya. Eto naman, barbecue sauce. Buti nga lang, hindi siya napagod kasi may ginawa ako. Anyway, so yun na nga, busog ang all. And then, so far, so good naman yung pagkaluto natin, no? Then, time check, 5:49 na po ng hapon. Kakausap ko lang sa aking mother. Nag-check up po kami, mga guys. And then, by the way, malapit na ang Thanksgiving. So, yung in-order pala namin na binili namin sa Ashley na furniture, which is yung ating dining set, is hopefully ma-deliver next week before the Thanksgiving, guys, kasi kailangan po namin na meron kaming upuan. At saka, kasi very empty. Empty, guys, oh. You see? Empty. Yan yung area. Super empty. Tapos, ayan, naglagay na po ako ng mga small Christmas decor lang naman, guys. 'Di ba? And then dito, bili muna tayo dyan sa empty wall na yan. Bilhan natin yan dyan ng frame or something. I don't know yet. Also, meron na din tayo mga Christmas stuff dyan. May mga pa-Christmas pillows tayo. Ayan. Tapos, ito, laging namamatay itong matay na naman siya, guys. Kailangan siguro muna niya mag-relax. And then, we have some Christmas tree. Ito. Kailangan natin to i-on. Ayan. Ayan siya. Na-on siya, guys. Ayan na siya. Meron na kaming Christmas spirit sa aming small, humble home. Ayan, meron tayong Christmas tree dyan. As usual. Wala pa yung star. Lalagay pa lang natin. Then, we have more Christmas stuff dito. Mga pillows lang naman siya, guys. Pampa-cute-cute lang ba? And then, dyan, yung ating last year pa na Santa na puti. May ganun. Snowmans and all that stuff. Yeah. Parang Christmas na din dito sa amin na, guys. Yun lang naman dito ang dito sa Amerika, guys. Parang, Kent, where are you? Ang mga gloves here. Kasi sobrang lungkot ng Pasko dito, guys, kung hindi ka magde-decorate. Sobra talagang lungkot. Kaya dapat mag-decorate ka din. Hi! Hello!
Cuckoo gaga. These are huger than my...
The future Manny Pacman Pacquiao.
Mom,
Oh.
there's no way that my hand is so tiny and it can literally fit the whole of it.